Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In the last video, we installed MySQL. Like I explained in the last class, when you open the MySQL command line, you'll have to enter the password which you have created during your configuration. So I'll write here the same password, enter. In this video, we are going to create our first table and insert data into step by step. So before creating a table, let's quickly understand two important terms. A database is like a container that stores all our data. Inside a database, we create tables. A table is basically which is similar to your Excel sheet with the rows and columns. For example, if you want to store student information, you can create the student table. Now let's create a database. I'll write here create database school, which means I have created a new database, naming my database called school. Next, I'll type use school means we are selecting the school database to work inside it. We need to choose a database before creating tables. Now, let's create a first table. Before that, let's understand something very important called data types. So, whenever we create a table, MySQL needs to know what type of data each column will store. This will help the MySQL store data correctly and efficiently. For example, age should be stored as a number, name should be stored as a text, joining date should be stored as a date. That's why we use different data types. Now let's see some common data types. Int is used for numbers, varchar is used for text, date is used to store dates. Imagine storing age as a text instead of a number. Then the calculation and the comparison becomes difficult. So choosing the correct data type is very important. Now let's create a table. I'll write create table students bracket open id int name varchar age int joining underscore date close the bracket with semicolon. Here I've created a table called student. ID int means the ID column stores up numbers. Name marker 50, which means a name column which stores up to 50 characters. The number inside the bracket, there is a maximum number of characters allowed. Age int means the age column stores numeric values. Joining date, which means which column stores date values. Now our table is ready, but we'll have to insert some data into it. I'll write insert into the table name which we created. So there we are going to add a data. So I'll have to mention student values, enter. I'll open the bracket. I'll write the ID. I'll write the name, Dia, comma, next is age. I'll mention 18, comma, joining date 2026 05 and 07. Close the bracket with a semicolon. Okay, you all can see the table name which I created was students, and in the insert I've written the student. So we'll have to mention here S. So here I have been added the record into my table. Now here you might notice that I have mentioned the quotation mark, and there are certain quotation marks for RIA and for the day. This is because the text and date values are written inside the quotes in MySQL. So numbers like 1 and 18 do not need quotation marks because they are numeric values. In MySQL, days are usually written in year, month, day format. Now let's insert one more record. So I'll write enter in the student values and mention your Rahul age. I'll mention as 20. Joining date I'll mention instead of 7 I mentioned 1. Oops, again the same thing. So here I've created my data which has two records. Now let's check whether the data was added successfully. So for that, I'll write select star from bins semicolon. So you all can see select is used to retrieve the data from a table. The star symbol means which all column. So this command displays everything inside the student table and that is what it is displaying here. So inside the student table, you can see the each horizontal line. We call it as a row or a record. And each vertical section, we call it as a column or field. You can try this yourself. Like you can add one more student using your own name and age. So in the next video, we'll learn how to search and filter data using select queries. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.